So hello guys, again welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for stopping by, and this channel is the one that will help you discover Kenya without you having to travel. And today we want to give you a trip to Juja town. Yeah, this time round we want you to discover Juja. Whether you have been there, we want to create a memory for you. If you have never been there, we want you to discover Juja for the first time. So Juja is a town in Kiambu County in Kenya. Juja town is located about 30 kilometers north of Nairobi, between Thika and Ruiru towns. Yeah, it is the hometown of Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. It is also a constituency in Kiambu County. Okay, Juja is home to more than 200,000 Kenyans who are mostly students. All right, and that's why we are going to start our trip here at Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology and drive through the estate of Juja where most students live. So if you have been there, I know you will know where we are passing through. So we'll do a road trip of this place so that we can show you where students live, especially those who study in Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. One thing that you should put in mind is that Juja is under the Nairobi Metropolitan Authority, yeah, NMS, as envisaged in the Vision 2030. Yeah, NMS cuts between several counties, and Juja is part of the Nairobi Metropolitan Authority. So Juja is also home to Juja City Mall, Juja Preparatory School, Kalimoni School, Mang'u High School, and is also part of the Thika superhighway. So we'll drive you along the streets of this estate, and then we end up by joining the Thika superhighway. So guys, this is Juja. Whenever you hear someone saying they live in Juja, this gives you an idea of where they live. All right.